Ano ba? Alright, stay. Ano ba? How are you? Is it your first time in the Philippines? Second time in the Philippines. How's it been so far? How's it been so far in the Philippines? Good?
Yes.
Have you been eating? Yeah. And how does it feel to represent Yamaha, of course, back in Thailand? How does it feel to represent Yamaha? How does it feel to ride the Yamaha?
Yes, Yamaha Thailand Racing Team, my leader of the Thailand team in the senior staff in Malaysia, progressing to much.
Can we know, can you tell us which is your favorite motorcycle to ride?
I think I want to try the R9 first. Yes, now we looking forward to the R9 come back in Thailand for testing for job simulation.
Alright, let's talk to Kritapat. Kritapat, how about you? Is it your first time in the Philippines?
Yeah, I like Philippines.
You enjoy Philippines?
Yeah.
The traffic?
I think a little bit.
A little bit. Alright, how about you? Where did the riding start? How old are you now?
I'm 20 years
20.
old.
When did you start riding a motorcycle?
I start racing motorcycle 5-year-old. Start with motocross. Yeah.
And how does it feel to represent Yamaha now?
Yes. I feel now for Yamaha is good. Yeah.
Do you ride motorcycles even when you're not racing? To go around the city, to go around Thailand, do you ride motorcycles? Is there a favorite motorcycle that you have when you ride?
Yeah, I have.
Make sure it's Yamaha. Okay.
Yeah.
What Yamaha motorcycle do you enjoy riding?
Riding, I have Ken Pirano.
What?
Ken Pirano. Automatic.
Oh, okay. Is that Yamaha? Yamaha only.
Yamaha only.
Yamaha. How about is there a Mio Gravis or Mio series in Thailand? A scooter? Or the NMAX? The NMAX T-Max?
Yeah.
Have you ridden those? Very relaxed compared to the sport bikes. Alright, palakpakan naman natin si palakpakan naman natin the Thailand Racing Team. Ano ba ang Star Mode? And Kritapat, yan, move.